Number 22, points Q and R lie on a circle with center P. Okay, so this is not to scale, but I'm just making a little drawing for myself. All right, so the center is P, and there are points Q and R on a circle. Okay. The radius of this circle is 9 inches. Okay, well, any line connecting the center to a point on the edge is a radii. Is a radius. They are radii. It's a radius of a circle, so I have 2 radii here, so I know they are both 9 inches. Okay. Triangle PQR. Boop. All right. Triangle PQR has a perimeter of 31 inches. What is the length in inches of QR? Okay. We don't have to do any sort of fancy math here. We don't have to figure out, the altitude of this triangle. We don't have to figure out the area. We don't have to do angles, nothing like that. It is a very straightforward perimeter problem. So when we have the perimeter of a triangle, all we're doing is we are measuring and adding up the lengths of the sides. So if we call that side X, that side QR, which is what we want to know, the perimeter of this triangle would be 9 plus 9 plus X, and the total perimeter would be 31. So we combine 9 plus 9, that is 18. 18 plus X equals 31. So to solve for X, I need to undo what's been done. 18 has been added, so the opposite of that is to subtract 18 from both sides, and I will get just an X on the left and 31 minus 18, or 13 on the right. And that's B. As you can see here with their other options, we got a couple of square roots of 2 going on. They're really trying to make you go, oh, this is an isosceles triangle, so I have to figure out, a square root of 2. No. No, they want you to go down that path. They're wanting you to think it's a 45, 45, 90 triangle, in which case that's A times the square root of 2. That is a formula you need to know. It is provided for you, but that's clearly what they're trying to get you to think, that this is a right angle. They never said it's a right angle. Nowhere in this problem does it say it's a right angle. It just says the 2 points Q and R are on the circle. Each of those is a radius of the circle, and the perimeter is 31. So it's not as fancy as they're trying to make you think. And the answer is just B, 13. Hey guys, the full insanely comprehensive SAT math prep course I've been promising for so long is live right now at mathwithalyssa.com. You can use coupon code EOY 2025, that stands for end of year, EOY 2025 for 30% off until Friday, May 16th. And of course, you can also still get the free 10 video course on SAT tips and tricks at mathwithalyssa.com as well. You also can now book one-on-one tutoring sessions with me. Links to how you can do that are in the description and the pinned comment below. And as always, if the video you just watched was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.